All right, so once you have plotted those, okay, make sure that you label those points that I've asked you to, okay? Because when you're doing this, you can have like your different patterns, and you won't necessarily have to graph it in order. Do you guys like this strategy of putting it on there, or do you just look back and forth? Because really, do you see that these are going to be reflections of each other? Now, this one is going to be a little bit different because you have an inner loop. And then we know we're at the end at 6.28 because that is 2 pi. Alright, so if you have a negative 1, now, oh, and what was the largest number we got to? 3. So if it's 3, then we're just going to scale by 1s. Okay, so negative 1 would be right here. And then you don't necessarily have to plot every point if they're really close together. Like you have the 0.9, then you have the 0.7, then you have the 0.4, then you have the 0, the 1/2, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.4, 2.7, 2.93. Sorry, I sound very monotone. I sound like the Dry Eyes commercial guy. Dry Eyes. Or the guy from Ferris Bueller. Have you guys seen Ferris Bueller?
Ferris Bueller's Day Off?
Yeah. Bueller. Anyone? No. Okay, and then at 1, or here, the Lamoson. Oh, did I tell you guys what Limassol means? I'm pretty sure it's Limassol. Did I write it on your paper? I'm pretty sure it's the French word for snail.
No.
No?
No.
No. That's the kind you eat. I'm going to have to look it up. Alright, and then we have 0.5, 0, and then see how you go back to the negatives? That's going to create this inner loop. Okay, so the negative 0.4, shush, we're going to follow this across. So you have the 0.4, 0.7, 0.9. There you go. And then that creates your little loop. Doesn't it look nice?
No.
Looks pretty good, I think. And then for the points, again, I would give you this. You would fill in your R. So at 7 pi over 12, you got 1.5. And then we can label that. So at 0, it's -1. So this is where your A value is. Okay, your B value is 1.5, so it would be here. Your C value is 2.4. So at 3 pi over 4, I'm at C. At pi, I'm at 3, so that's going to be my D value. And the 3 pi over 4, oh, so, sorry, 3 pi over 2, that doesn't look nice. And then here you would be at 1, so this is going to be your value of E. Yay. Because I wrote down all of the values from my calculator, and so once you write down those values, it will show it to you. And then, yep, so your graph, okay, when you are graphing that, if you want to see what's happening closer up, you can go to zoom in, and then you can see it.